Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply like animation to your stickers in CapCut PC. So go to their stickers section and you're just going to select the sticker that you want to apply the animation to. Some of them already have like animations, but you can add additional ones. Like this one for instance, you're just going to select animation. They have this in animation, they have the out animation. They also have the loop animation, which I use quite a lot. As you can see, it's pretty fast, but what you're going to do is you're going to select this and move it to the right. If you want to slow it down, to speed it up, move it to the left. Okay, that was really hard to watch. And then you can also add more animations to it if you want. Right click, create compound clip. Then go to animation here and you can add animations from the video animation here. You can add in an in and out animation. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!